Hi guys, alright? I hope you're alright. We're alright here. It's Friday. I've been to the gym, and those of you who watch these videos know I'm trying to get my steps up. I did okay today. I'm quite tired now. So today's video I wanted to share because I just thought all my videos are showing how beautiful it is here. And it is, of course it is. But, oh my gosh, this week it has rained so much so that I thought I'd do a video on it. The weather people actually said on TV that it was the worst day of rain in 53 years. I think that's since records began, so that's how horrendous it was. So I thought I'd put that video on to follow out the front and show you how much it came down. And then it cleared, so I took a little time lapse of the clouds, which I thought was quite fun to look at. I also wanted to let you know that even though I'm on this regime, I do have the odd treat every now and again. So I've always put on healthy stuff on here, but I'll share my treat that I had. And the last thing I'll show you is, again this week I've had the pool to myself, and it's so chill, so relaxing, and thanks to Sam for being my cameraman. But we had some music going and good times this week. So hope everybody's having a good week. Please don't hesitate to comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It'd be lovely if you could subscribe, and then you'll have all future videos straight to you. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.